launch a new Linux machine today. Okay. So go to the virtual machine. We have created your, yeah, exactly. Good. And here we are selecting CentOS.
CentOS, isn't it?
Yeah, CentOS. Yeah.
Is that the one? CentOS?
Yeah, exactly.
Oh yeah. Okay, I was like confused.
Click password. Username. Yeah. Oh, you have to give one more password. Confirm password.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Cool. Scroll down. Say next.
Next.
Yeah.
Not changing anything.
Yeah. Exactly.
Yeah.
Say next. Yeah. Yeah.
Here can do.
Yeah.
Quick review. Hello?
Yeah. Just say review and create.
Yeah, okay.
Good. Just say next.
Create. Is it create?
Yeah. Just say create. So now I hope you are perfect in creating virtual machine, right?
Yeah, I didn't need any help. But when do we change, like if it's like a Windows Server or Linux, when do we change that, how many like CPU? Where do we do that?
You want to change?
Like I'm just saying, do we have to change that while creating the virtual machine?
Yes.
Okay.
Now the problem is that you are using Windows and you have a Linux server. So for Windows,
Yeah.
we have a remote desktop, but for a Linux, there is no other tool. So there is a tool
Oh,
which is widely used by most of the people. It's called Putty. Okay.
Yeah.
So just go to Google and type putty.
So I can do it in the
Yeah,
next browser or
yeah. Just in Google type putty download. Yeah, you will get putty.org. Putty.org. I think. Can you just type putty.org in Google?
um,
Putty.org. Yes, enter. Yes. Now here you have a download putty. Click here. You have a here button. Just click here. Yeah. And then select 64-bit.
this one.
Yeah. Google से देखो। ये मेरा है। Headset तो नीचे भी नहीं Google से नहीं। It's done now. Let's install it. Install the putty. You already downloaded. Yeah, you already
Okay.
downloaded. Yeah, just
Okay, yeah, let's go and play.
right. So it's saying that let's install a putty. So just click next. Yes, very good. Just say next. Next, just install. Now it will ask you for permission. Just say yes. दरवाजा बंद करो। Cool. Just remove the checkbox and click finish. Okay, don't worry. Just click finish and just close this browser. Close this putty browser which is open. Tab. Yeah. Good. Right. So your virtual machine is also connected. Just click go to resource. Fantastic. Now you see a public IP, right? Correct. Now just in a search box in your Windows search box, type T. Putty. No, no, not ping, not ping, not ping. Only putty. Yeah, you are getting putty now. Click the putty.
So open that.
Yeah, open that. Now paste the IP here. just yeah, and just then in a Windows you have a appearance box. Click appearance menu in a Windows, yeah, and then click change. There is a change button. Increase the font size to 20 and click bold. Click OK. Now below window there is a colors option. Click colors. Below appearance, yeah, there is a color. The fifth number, yeah. Then click default foreground. Here below you have a default foreground, yeah. Default foreground,
Foreground.
yeah,
This is one.
yeah. Default foreground, the first one.
The first one. Okay.
Click modify. Now select the second yellow color. Click OK. Click open. Click yes. Type your username, capital P. You have given capital P. Preeti. Enter. Type the password. You're not able to see the password, so just type and press enter.
Right. Okay.
Good. So now you are inside the Linux
Did you
operating
say
system.
it failed or one time? Okay.
Yeah, first
What does
time
it say?
maybe you have typed password
Yeah,
wrong.
type. Yeah, password wrong. Yeah, I know.
So just run the clear command to clear the screen.
So type clear.
Yeah, good.
Click enter.
Yeah, press enter. Now let's run some of the commands. So go to the YouTube.
I'm sure what?
YouTube. Open a YouTube.
Yeah.
Type here take place. In a search box, type take place.
Type what? Play.
Take place. Go inside the take place. Now click videos. Click videos tab. On the top you have a videos. No, on top you have a videos, you have a playlist, you have a channel, you have a discussion, you have a about. So no. Hold on. This is videos, okay? And here just type Linux. Yeah, press enter. Good. So you have a, this is a basic command which we have given for anyone who first time working on Linux. Okay. So these are the some of the commands which is very simple command to work on. Let's try some of the command. These are the command which I have given there. Okay. So just see the command and type and see what happened to the result. Okay. So let me put it here. Yeah. Start typing. So first command you already run, that is a clear. Clear will do the clear the screen. Okay. Now
Yeah.
type ls a small. In Linux, every command is a small command. Okay. ls will show you all the file and folder, whatever you have, right? Now just type who am I. It will show you which user you have logged in.
So that means I don't have any files. That's why it didn't
Yeah,
open any.
exactly. Yeah.
Okay.
Press enter. So you say that you logged in with the user called Preeti, right?
Okay.
Now just type pwd. It will show you that what is your current directory.
Yeah, that's my okay.
Okay, so it's saying that you are under home of Preeti. Now you have a command to check the IP address of the system. So first clear the screen. Type ifconfig. So it say that your IP address is 10.0.0.4. Right?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now just clear the screen again. Type the command hostname to check what is the name of your server. This is the name you have given to the server, right?
Yeah.
Correct. Now you see there is something called. Now let's create a directory. Okay. So to create a directory, you have a command called mkdir. So let's create a directory called AWS. mkdir. mkdir. It given a command. mkdir. No.
No, okay, okay. MKDIR first.
Space. Then type any directory. Let's say you type AWS. Yeah, press enter. One minute, Preeti. Hello. Hello. Yeah. Actually, I'm in a session. Hello. Yeah. Yeah, please. Okay. Now make another directory called mkdir Azure. Enter. Right. Now type ls to confirm.
Let's confirm.
ls. Enter.
Confirm.
Press enter. Only just type ls and press enter. So now it's saying you have a two folder, right? AWS and Azure. Let's go inside one of the folder. Say cd space AWS. cd is change.
CD. Okay. Okay. CD.
Enter. Now look, your prompt has changed, right? Correct?
Yeah, it has changed to AWS. Yeah, I see that.
Okay. So now if you want to create a file, you can, if you want to create a blank file, just type touch. The command is called touch. So say touch myfile.txt, the name of the file.
.aw.
.txt. Yeah, enter, type ls. Correct. But
Yeah.
this file is a blank file. It does not have anything, right? If you
Mm.
want to create a file with some content, then you can use a command called nano. So type nano.
What did you say, madam?
Is there, Priti? I'm actually following this.
Oh yeah. Oh,
Okay.
nano. Okay. Okay. I got it.
Just you just follow it. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Right. So it open an editor. Now just type, this is my first file in Linux. Enter. Just type second line. This is great. Good. Now to save the file, you have to just take this off little bit upper. You see that you have a control X to exit, right? It's saying control X to exit. So just say control X, control X, say Y, press enter. Good. You have now updated the file. To see the content of the file, what is the command?
Nano. My file type. Or
It's cat. What is written? Cat, then the file name. You able to see? Cat.
cat my file. Okay. Two. All right.
Just type cat space myfile.txt.
So that is just to get the text to
Yeah,
see.
whatever you
Yeah.
written, you
Okay.
can read it. Okay. Again, if you have to edit, then again you can go to nano, right? Correct. Now you want to see that who has the permission, who do not have a permission. You have a command called ls minus l. Just type ls space minus l space. You have to give ls space minus l. Yeah. Enter. So it will show you that you have a file myfile.txt which was created on this date, this time,
Mhm.
and then it is saying that you only have a read write for honor, read write for group, read for all others, right? So this is the how the Linux will show you the permission. Okay.
Mm.
Okay? You do not have a another permission which is called execute permission. Okay. So let's say for an example, you want to give the right execute permission to the user also. So first one is a user, second one is a group, third one is others. So there is a command called chmod. Just type chmod space. Then for whom you want to give. Let's say you want to give for user. User will always noted as you. So say you plus, then what you want to give? Let's say you want to give uh, X. You just type X means execute, a space. On which file do you want to give? myfile.txt. So just type myfile.txt. I think you have given a wrong spelling of my file.
What?
My
Oh,
spelling
yeah,
is
my
wrong.
file. Yeah, okay, I got it. Yeah.
Okay, just press enter. Good. Type ls minus l. So now you see that you have a X permission also added now, right?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. You want to remove all the permission for the user. All permission.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
just say chmod space u minus. Now you are using a word minus. Okay. U is a small. In Linux,
Oh, yeah.
everything is small. Please be careful.
Okay.
U minus and just say RWX. So you want to say that remove everything. X, RWX.
Oh, that's it. Then mine are the text.
Yeah.
Did you put my file.txt or no?
Yeah, finally, yes.
Then is
Yeah. Then say ls minus l.
ln space minus n.
You see everything is minus now, right?
Yeah.
Correct. So this is a
Mhm.
some of the example which I have given to you. Just clear the screen.
This screen?
Clear.
Oh, yeah.
Now let's understand how we can go and change the password, or maybe how we can go and install some application in the Linux. Okay. So to update your Linux operating system, use a command called sudo, sudo, sudo space yum. Yum means hello update manager. It is a tool through which you can install and update your Linux operating system. So type yum, yum space update space -y. -y means wherever it is asking yes or no, by default it take yes. Okay, press enter. Right. So it is now installing an update in your Linux server. So total 270 new updates is there, which is going to download. And once the download complete, it will install all the update.
And so you need Linux to do Azure too. I know you need Linux for AWS, but
Yeah,
Azure too.
yeah. Because you see server now. If
Yeah.
company is using that, then you have to create, right?
Then,
At
okay.
least you should know the basic operation, correct?
Yeah, basic. Okay.
In AWS, you have to know everything in a Linux only.
Oh, okay. And then I surely need to know the basic one.
Yeah, at least.
Okay. On the command box, how do you get this screen? What do you type? I forgot.
Where?
And then when you start to do the commands, Linux, what do you do in the command line to
Uh,
get the screen to do the Linux?
oh, in command line. In command
Yeah.
line, we have to install a tool called SSH. There is a separate tool. And then we have to run a command SSH -i, then the username, and then the IP address.
Oh, so in order to practice, I can just go into Putty and then because we already
Yeah,
downloaded
yeah, exactly.
Putty and then I practice with the commands
Yeah,
here.
yes, yes,
Okay.
yes. You can go to the video and you can watch the video of the Linux. It's a basic.
Are we recording this one too, or?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, good.
I'm just coming in a 2 minute.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so it has
Yeah.
been updated now. Now let's install a web server here. Okay, so in Windows, you remember we install the IIS server, Internet Information Server. Okay, in Linux, the server is either Apache or maybe a Tomcat. Okay, so here we are going to install an Apache server. How we can install an Apache server? Just clear the screen and again type sudo space again yum yum space. Last time we run an update. This time we are going to run install. So just type install
Is it new install or install?
install install the space, then type the name of the package which you want to install. So we are going to installing the web server, and the name of the Apache web server in Linux is HTTPD. Just type HTTP, all small.
I know I forget that.
D HTTPD. D
D.
for the last. Yeah, yeah. Press enter. Say why. All good. So your web server has been installed. Now you have to start the web server service. So clear the screen and type sudo service HTTPD start.
Space start or just
Yeah,
start?
a space and give a start. Yeah, press enter. Cool. Now just go and copy the, just check what is the public IP you have. Go back to Azure portal.
This
Type
one?
in, yeah, type this IP in your mobile or maybe in a browser. You will get a default
Okay.
website check. Copy and paste in a browser. Paste in a browser.
Uh,
Open a new tab. Paste it here.
yeah.
Or either you can use in your mobile. You will get same result. So you are going to get the default Apache web page,
Yeah.
right? Okay. So in Windows, you have to install the role. In Linux, you have to install the HTTP using a command line.
So Linux you do the Apache and Windows you do uh,
IIS.
IIS. Okay.
Okay.
What is IIS? What's the full name for that?
Internet Information Service.
Okay.
Okay.
So it's
So,
okay.
okay. But both will use to have a website running. For example, our website is running inside the Linux operating system.
Yeah.
Okay. So it means that my website is using Apache web server in the background. Okay,
Yeah.
right? So this is what the basic understanding of the Azure. We are first understand the first service which is called Azure Virtual Machine.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we're going to see some other service like a storage in Azure. Okay,
Okay.
okay. Chalo, see you tomorrow.
Oh yeah. And you said at the end of the week you'll
Yeah, I will send. Yeah, exactly.
yeah.
Okay,
Thank you much.
so,
Yeah.